It took lots and lots of time. It took the Siddharth, which is teaching now, okay, and I have been actually able to develop a method in which I can storyfy anything and of polity, governance, and international relation, and even somebody who does not have the remotest idea of what that topic would be, in after a couple of hours would be understanding and having a fair understanding of this part. It took quite a bit. I think it took about a decade of so-called, fine tuning of the entire thing, and it also actually manifested into reality because I started understanding the subject. It does not come. One cannot be isolated from the other one. Just not possible. You have to understand the subject. So when I was reading, thankfully I was always in the habit of reading. So when you're reading, like Dr. Ambedkar, for that matter, I'm just giving an example, and several other books. So then you understand what is a book. That's what I think. A book is nothing else but you're entering the author's mind. For the time being, you are him. For the time being, you are understanding his shoes, and especially the authors of yesteryears. Because today I've seen many of the books being written probably more for commercial purposes than for actually sharing of knowledge. But those were, when Dr. Ambedkar wrote, these were when I remember very distinctly when I was reading Annihilation of Caste. Although I did not have even the smallest inkling of what is all this about, but then I could feel myself. It was a very somatic kind of an experience. I could actually feel in my body. So what Dr. Ambedkar is trying to do. So gradually, then arguing in the Supreme Court is a whole new experience. And I have always understood one thing, that you learn by osmosis. So you give me an opportunity. So like recently, since you asked me, so recently we lost Mr. Soli Sorabji. Now, Soli Sorabji sir has a place amongst. He's a place. He's in the Mount Everest. He's like God to us lawyers. But you won't believe, one fine day while I was in Delhi, I got to know that Soli Sorabji sir has come and he's staying in a 5-star hotel. I don't want to name. So I actually made it a point that I waited for him at the reception just to say hello to him, just that I could spend 5 minutes with him. So this was my habit for a long time, that I always believe that if you're in the same time-space axis, you start learning by osmosis. So these were the things which actually took me to that. And then gradually it went into a story. Today it has become, joy while teaching, and I'm sure for everyone who's learning also. It's an easier way of learning a technical subject, I guess.